es ist jetzt offiziell, dass diariobernabeu.com, dieses Internetportal, wurde anscheinend von Florentino Perez instruiert, gegen sie zu arbeiten. Stell Bail auf und. Das ist ein großer Korruptionsskandal jetzt in Spanien. Ah. Haben Sie das immer gewusst und wie fahren Sie jetzt nach Madrid zu Perez?
No, ich weiß nicht. As far this is a news for me, but there are rumors, so for me it doesn't change. My experience in Real Madrid was really good. I never had pressure to put this player or other player, and I don't know if the president used some media to put pressure on me. I didn't.
300,000 euros he spent on the other.
Was an expensive journalist. No, for me, my experience in Real Madrid was fantastic, but I never had directly pressure to put this player because I think that I am in this world from a long time. The people more or less knows me. There is no possibility for me to. There is no possibility to put pressure on me. Maybe about the lineup. I am the person that knows better the player. Maybe I do a mistake. This is normal, but no one can me put pressure on this.